Our killers is in right now.
Portal. Really so, yo, brother, Sheen gang, brother,
Imagine
third
trying to hit
today,
me with your
brother.
car, Goofy. Like, you're bored.
You hear me,
Oh
Portal?
no. Oh no, the police
Hey,
are
Pistol,
jumping
what's
me.
your weapon?
Bro, do y'all not
Hey,
see the
Pistol,
police
you
are
hear me, brother?
I'm not getting locked up. I put my weapon up. That's y'all.
This
When
chicken
you
game. I got 32 violations though, but you ain't gonna catch me.
why would you tell him that? You dumb.
I
He
got
said not today. How is it? You PD too? I got 30 some violations. I'm trying to get 100, man. Them bitches keep falling off. They keep falling off on me. It's crazy.
Yes, why you in the corner,
Damn,
bro?
boy, John Star PD.
you know that
Yeah, that's what's up, gang. I see you. That's what's up. I thought about
it's not bad.
it. Yeah, we'll see.
Yeah, they got a tight house, like professional type.
Okay, I see what you said. That's what's up. That's what's up. Yeah, Mr. Steven, he cool though.
I would help you, but you a bitch. I would help you, B-Mo, but you a bitch. A straight bitch.
Where you go?
Take him to jail. I don't know if
Bitch
she
ass nigga.
One
You
night
got
niggas
right in
still got
jail,
some
bitch
time.
ass. Right, bitch.
do that jail time, boy. Give him the book. Give him all of it.
Take his bitch ass to the brother.
And give him abuse on women.
Oh, hey, I wasn't even, hold on, gang. I wasn't even acting, bro. I was
Yeah.
talking. I'm at work. What's up,
Pussy
bro? Let
ass
me out of
boy,
here.
go to
What's going
jail.
on?
Nah, go to jail.
What am I going to jail for? Hold up, bro. I wasn't even
You going to
acting. I
jail
was
for
talking.
murder. He got hella body. That's why he ain't give you his ID.
Right in jail, bitch.
You know you going
Bring
to
his
jail.
bitch ass to jail, brother.
Go your bitch
Bitch.
ass to
Right,
jail.
brother.
Jail, bitch.
Man, look, hey, look, man. I'm at work. I was
Talking.
idle
Shut up,
for a
talking.
second, bro. Just
Shut
let
up,
me out of
talking.
here,
Give me the
man.
lawyer, bitch. Get the lawyer,
Bro,
fuck nigga.
see, you just mad because I killed you about twice,
Shut up,
and you
bitch.
mad because I killed you about 4, 5 times. What is this?
Shut up, bitch.
Man, made me fall on the earth. Look, man, I wasn't even my fault, bro. I wasn't even active for a second. I was idle. I'm over here talking. I'm at work and whatnot, man. Look, man, just let me off with a warning. I ain't even see what y'all said. What I'm in touch for? What I'm in touch for? Can you at least tell me why I'm in touch?
Shut up, bitch. Let me turn.
Where we going? Hold on.
Come out the green zone so I can
Shut
kill
up,
you,
bitch.
bitch.
Man, y'all not even gonna
Come
talk
out
to
the
me,
green
bro?
zone. Come out the green zone, I kill you.
Put your gun away, man.
Yeah, they gonna teleport the car.
Bitch. Bitch. Bitch.
Arrested me. Done why
Shut
are
the
you
fuck up.
why are you transporting me to the station, bro?
Come on, Slime.
Dang, bro, I was just in act, bro. I better not see y'all roaming these streets. I got a hit out on both of y'all, man. Let me see. Citizen, Cervantes, and John Star. Y'all gonna answer to me when I get up out of here, man. I was idle, man. Y'all didn't even have to do all this, man. I was idle. I was AFK as a mug. I'm over here at work in real life, man. Just put the section. Y'all don't have to put
A
the
lot of gang
section.
members out front on PD.
You could have got any ones that was literally out there shooting and harassing folks, but you choose to get the one that's standing AFK, not even doing anything in that moment. That's crazy. Everybody out there was shooting and thugging and watering, and y'all choose to get the one that's AFK. That's crazy. Oh, don't worry. I'm all right. So when I get out of here, I'm definitely because y'all could have talked to me like a man. Y'all could have had a conversation with me when I came back to the phone.
She said
Y'all
that.
just want to lock me up, man. Tickets, man. But dang,
Hell yeah, dumbass nigga. Take his dumbass back there.
gotta get y'all end of the year tickets and
115 to
shit,
jail.
man.
What's your
Fuck,
twin?
get me out of here, bro.
Hey, what you come back for?
Man, don't put me in this cell with these op ass niggas, man. These my ops.
Yeah, bring them over here.